Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me for a while, you might have noticed that it's been a long time since I last painted my little witch, Mokka. One of the reasons for that is I've been thinking about how to make her story more interesting. To be honest, I've been going through something that all artists faced at some point, an art block. Art block is something I'm no stranger to. Almost every artist experiences it. So today, I want to share some of the ways I deal with these creative struggles, and hopefully, they might be helpful for you. Give yourself a break. Sometimes, the best solution is to put down the paintbrush for a while. Forcing yourself to create can often just make the anxiety worse. Taking a short break, relaxing, and letting your mind reset can often bring back the inspiration naturally. Seek inspiration outside. Changing your environment can do wonders. Whether it's taking a walk in the park, visiting a museum, or just strolling around the neighborhood, new sights and experiences can spark new ideas. Sometimes, inspiration is just waiting for you to step outside your usual routine. Try new creative approaches. Art blocks sometimes happen when we feel bored or constrained by our usual methods. Personally, I like to experiment with new techniques or tools to break free from that feeling. For example, my close friends know I have a little hobby of collecting vintage items, like cute old typewriter and retro handheld game. Recently, I got this adorable Bluetooth speaker with a vintage design. It perfectly combines retro style with modern functionality. It is so cute. Not only does it play music, but it also displays lyrics and lets me play little games. The coolest part? It has a customizable pixel art screensaver. So, I'm going to use the pixel art feature in the app that came with the D1 speaker to create a little pixel art version of Mokka, who is going to be my little company on my desktop today while I paint. I've never tried pixel art before, so I hope it turns out okay. I ended up simplifying things a bit. I was getting too complicated, so I just drew Mokka's face, and it turned out much better. Start small. When creativity feels blocked, I find it helpful to start with small projects. Big creative tasks can sometimes make me feel more anxious. So, I will focus on quick sketches, doodles, or imperfect concepts. Things that don't have to be perfect. This takes off the pressure to create something flawless. For example, I've decided to focus on a fun scene, Mokka brewing a potion. I'm stepping out of a usual story context to explore something that excites me. And I think it's a great way to break free from the block. Let go of perfectionism. I have a bad habit of thinking every piece of art has to be perfect, which often leads to self-doubt and anxiety. But lately, I'm learning to embrace imperfection. Not every piece will turn out the way I want, and that's okay. The process of creating is about growth and exploration. Sometimes, it's okay to create something that doesn't meet your expectations. Failure is part of the journey. By allowing myself to make imperfect work, I've learned to make art feel more like a natural, light-hearted expression rather than something heavy with pressure. And when the process becomes easier, it becomes more habitual and fun. Build a regular creative habit. Even when you're not feeling inspired, it helps to keep creating every day, even if it's just for a little while. Whether it's 10 minutes or 30 minutes, a quick sketch or jotting down an idea can make a huge difference. During one of my longer art blocks, I've sketched small details from my everyday life, like raindrops, a windowsill, or even just a few words I found inspiring. It helped me stay connected to my creativity, even when it felt like it was missing. And if inspiration hits you but you don't have time to draw, write it down. That way you can come back to it later and keep the creative flow going. These are some of the ways I deal with art block. For me, they sometimes work and sometimes they don't. But the key is to find what helps you relax and reignite your passion for creating. Whether it's taking a break, seeking new inspiration, trying new techniques, or accepting imperfections. What matters most is being patient with yourself and giving yourself the time to break through the block. Every artist goes through creative lows, but those lows are often part of personal growth and artistic development. Do you have any tips for overcoming art block? Feel free to share them in the comments below. I know a lot of you enjoy watching me paint in peace, so no more talking. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the painting. And with that, today's artwork is one of my ways of tackling art block. I hope you enjoy it. My channel has also been in a bit of a block lately. So if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to help me push through this and keep the channel alive. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.